Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see the dollar yen is a long-term bullish market and giving a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, dollar yen is a bull market. If you look at this overall picture, we see with this monthly impulse created this move consolidation. There has been another move, the price has broken to the downside, and then we can see the dollar yen is forming series of higher high and higher low. Now if we look at the recent time frame, previous months, we have seen the dollar yen has formed a middleman here. Now with that middleman, the price broken to the upside, and we can expect now the price to continue to rise as we see that there is no significant level of resistance and there is an imbalance in that zone. We can expect dollar yen to move to the upside to create new higher high. Now if we look at the weekly perspective on dollar yen, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly impulse and the narrow correction, and again we saw another impulse to the upside. Now if we look at this triangular pattern on dollar yen, we see that this zone there is no significant liquidity gap from the support. That's the sign that the market is very highly bullish and there is a huge momentum in this market. Now previous week, after this bullish candle, also you can see this candle has a long wick at the bottom and also there is a narrow wick at the top. This kind of candle is a bullish continuation pattern, and we can expect dollar yen now to go back to the resistance zone where there is a high liquidity. So from the weekly perspective as well, we see the very high probability for dollar yen to continue to rise. Now if we look at the daily, this is the daily price action on dollar yen, and this is where we saw, as you can remember, that there is a massive trade here also we had. This is where there is a daily double dodges, and from that zone dollar yen had a bounce to the upside. At this point we see that every day the price is creating series of higher high and higher low. As this is a high momentum market, any kind of drop, especially to this liquidity zone, will give us another entry opportunity for dollar yen to go for long. Now looking for further lower time frame to see where we can find trading opportunity, we can see that this is where this current session has broken the dodges low and immediately forming a long weekend. So any kind of drop, the bulls taking this opportunity to buy. So I will be waiting for further local breakdown, especially above this level where there is the previous resistance here, which is turning support here below this level, can give us a very high probability for potential bullish trading opportunity. So that this is the zone that I will be waiting for a potential trading opportunity. If we see dollar yen has rejected from this level, giving us a very high probability trade setup, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. That will help. That will be helpful for this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.